Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ring app for Ring alarm and cameras. Easy tutorial, step by step, clear. To begin, locate the Ring app on your mobile device. Tap the Ring app icon to open it. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to check for any typos to avoid login errors. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After entering your email and password, tap the Login button. Wait for a moment while the app verifies your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your home dashboard. Here, you can view and manage your Ring alarm and cameras. If you have multiple locations, choose the one you want to access. Now you are ready to monitor and control your Ring devices. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection. You can also try restarting the app or your device if problems persist. Now you know how to log into the Ring app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.